Right, welcome to Minecraft. Now I got a few worlds set up here. I'm planning on delivering snapshots. I'm just going to create a new world, start from scratch. How do I spell survive? Oh, it's right there. How did I not see that? I'm bad at typing. I'm bad at spelling. I'm a native English speaker. Yeah, I can't spell survival. I'm going to make this easier for myself. Give myself a chest. Extension will type. I can't mess with that at all. The snapshot doesn't let me. It crashes every time. Right. Let's see where we end up. Load in. Building terrain. Basic series. Start off simple. Start off classic. Food. Give me that chest. Water. Oh, we got a roofed forest. This will be interesting. Right. I'm on top. I should probably collect some dirt. Actually, have any more saplings fallen? Ooh. I'll take the chest with me. I think there was a long period of silence there. Not good when you're trying to think out loud. Right. On we go. Mushrooms. Wait, does that mushroom have a mushroom growing on top of it? I think it does. It'd be nice if this forest has a mansion. So, this forest looks like it might be a bit on the small side. Oh no, it extends to that. Whee! Do not want to fall in there. Probably too many ladders. Okay, this will be how I will be getting to the treetops. Vegan mushroom. Give me access to that cave, which will essentially be my mining area. This is as good a place as any to start building. Okay, let's get started. Right, door complete. Makeshift house complete. Bed, none. That'd be nice. How to make a pumpkin pie. Well, at least knowing how to make this stuff is easier now. Usually I have to get on a wiki to find that out. I'm just going to have to wait out the night. Problem with a roofed forest is that nothing despawns underneath its leaves. This is going to be troublesome, isn't it? I'm going to have to light the whole place up underneath, which means all my work is going to be over here for the time being. Whee! Mind the gap! Oh, I have to deal with creepers. Oh. Ow. Not quite what I wanted, but it works. I found a precious resource. I got some dirt. Not as much as I would like. Hey, that's dark. Oh, I got coal. I got no sticks. Ah, yeah, I made all my sticks into... Well, aren't I smart? Yeah, that's all you want. Darn rain extinguishing their fires. Alright, I have wood. And we have found our first iron. And we found enough for a bucket. Good. Oh, we found enough for a lot of stuff. Don't want anything spawning in there. And let's go on digging to Y11. Or at least until my pick breaks. In that case, I'm going to go back and see if I can't build an iron one. Oh, well, my pickaxe. Time to build an iron one. And back to base we go. Crafting bench. Furnace. Block of coal. You go a surprisingly long time on a block of coal. You know what? I got dirt. I'm smelting that. Let's get... This mushroom's perfect. I don't have enough dirt. But that right there is going to be my farm. Still don't have enough dirt. Acquired hardware. Bucket. Shears. Pick. Because as for a sword, I'll go with stone sword. I hear you, Skellies. I hear you. Right. Time to dispose of that. Bye. Should I wait out the night? Nah, I won't. Nothing spawns up here anyway, so I'm safe to move around. As long as I'm up here. Zombies. I need to heal up. Next thing I should do is probably make an infinite water source. Though with a single bucket, kind of hard. Alright, so I could do that for the cornerstones. I think this is good progress for a single slow-paced episode. Till next time. Now, first off, I'd like to say that that recording was a purely test. I've never done something like this before, so if anyone watches it, being my first video, I don't expect many people to watch it. Please give me feedback. I'm still trying to get audio to work. I've been trying to get audio to work so that you can hear what's going on in the game. What I think for now is I'm just gonna like raise that up to max, turn up that, because that's the only way I could think of to get the sound through. Now, well, not much else. Any feedback would be much appreciated. Thank you. And this time, for sure, and until next time.